Hey Levies, so I'm getting a lot of comment of you all asking about how I got rid of my tiny white bumps from my forehead. You all know how much I love glass skin. But glass skin is a very tough skincare goal to achieve when you have oily acne prone skin. But I finally found a skincare routine and lifestyle changes that help me get rid of these tiny bumps. In this video, I'm gonna share my personal journey and the steps I took to achieve this clear glowing skin. So, if you are tired from battling those stubborn tiny bumps, then watch this video for some helpful tips and tricks. Before I tell you my journey to clear skin, I want you to understand what these tiny bumps are and what causes them. They are commonly known as closed comedones or milia. These bumps occurs when dead skin cells and sebum clogs the hair follicle, leading to small, flesh-colored or white bumps on the surface of the skin. Many things can cause to their formation, including genetics, hormonal imbalance, excessive oil production, and improper skincare routine. Now, here are the things I did to get rid of my stubborn closed comedones. I did a lot of reading and learned that cleansing was crucial. I went for a cleanser with salicylic acid in it that didn't strip off my skin of its natural oil, but effectively removed dirt, excess oil, and impurities. Exfoliation also played a very important role in removing my clogged pores. Physical exfoliation or scrubbing can irritate the skin and make the skin even worse. So I went for a gentle chemical exfoliant with ingredients like salicylic acid, glycolic acid, tretinoin in my skincare routine. These ingredients helps to dissolve dead skin cells and promote faster cell turnover, gradually reducing the appearance of the bumps and eventually getting rid of them. Maintaining adequate hydration and moisturization was also a crucial aspect of my journey. I used to hate moisturizer, thinking, I have oily skin, why do I even need it? Later, I discovered that dehydrated skin tends to produce more oil, leading to clogged pores. Therefore, I made sure to drink plenty of water and use a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer. This helped to improve my skin's moisture level without increasing the acne problem. Skincare isn't just about external products, it's about taking care of your body from the inside out. First and foremost, I paid closer attention to my diet. I added more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into my meal and had completely cut down sugar and dairy products. Regular manifestation also played a very important role in my 30-day skin transformation. I don't know if you'll believe it or not, but Om once said, किसी चीज़ को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है. Which means it is saying that if you truly desire something from your heart, then the whole universe will gather together to get you that. Manifestation works the same way, so always manifest about getting good, healthy skin. Look yourself in the mirror and say you love everything about yourself, and very soon you will start seeing beauty in your deepest insecurities as well. Because each and every person in this whole world is unique. Lastly, I made sure to get enough sleep and maintain my daily activities. I'm a dancer myself, so I used to practice 2 times more of what I actually practice in a day, which caused better blood circulation, and sweating removes toxins from the body. Getting rid of those tiny bumps was no easy feat. But by understanding the problems and finding the solution, I finally achieved clear, healthy glass skin in 30 days. By consistent skincare routine, embracing hydration and moisturization, and making positive lifestyle changes, I got my skin go from this to this. Comment skincare in the comment box if you want to know my skincare routine and what skincare products I used to get rid of my tiny bumps. If I get 100 comments, I'll make a dedicated video showing my skincare routine. Now subscribe to my channel so that we can meet again. Bye bye.